Here we've got a box from StockX. I'm guessing it would have come from, it's come from Korea actually. So as the title suggests, this is a 100 Supreme red box logo stickers purchased from StockX. So I use these to give away with orders on eBay. It's just like a freebie, something I check in. I pay around about 100 Australian dollars for the 100 stickers. I just want to show you this how it comes. It's got the verified sticker. It's got barcode, QR code. It comes in. I'm guessing StockX put this bag on. And just so you know, it's verified that they're real, genuine Supreme box logo stickers. So yeah, I give them away with the sneakers that I sell. It's just an extra little bonus. I think the customer appreciates it. Probably not really, can't really get them in Australia, as we have no Supreme store in Australia. Look, they're not even stacked the same way, so yeah, there you have it. I'm not going to count them, but there it is. That's what you get when you order the 100 Supreme stickers from StockX.